Over the last couple of days, I have thought about the future of this YouTube channel pretty intensively. Also, for a few weeks now, I've been receiving emails from brands asking about brand partnerships, affiliations, and sponsorships. The only two affiliations I have at this point are Motion VFX and Dehancer, both of which make plugins for Final Cut Pro I truly use every day. These two companies were the first companies reaching out to me when I was well below 2,000 subscribers. When I agreed on these affiliations, I thought I wanted to promote things and tools that I use. However, in the last couple of weeks, after moving into this absolutely incredible studio, I started to gain a sense of clarity for what I do. I finally arrived at the conclusion that with this YouTube channel, I'm more of a small business owner rather than an influencer. Furthermore, I have no desire to become an influencer, and I have no desire to be famous and/or blow up this YouTube channel. With this channel, I want to help creators to learn color in Final Cut Pro. My core business is selling plugins for Final Cut Pro and offering training and coaching sessions. In order to make you aware of my offering, I need to reference them in my videos. Since I respect your time, this means there is simply no space left for sponsor integrations. With dedicated videos, the same logic applies. There are only so many product-centric videos I can make before I start annoying myself. And the videos I can fit into my schedule should be dedicated to my plugins, my trainings, and my LUTs. However, I want to make it crystal clear that this is not me monopolizing on my YouTube reach for my own purposes. We will talk about third-party tools for Final Cut Pro here on the channel for sure, but in a different context. Okay, let me explain. I decided to not do any brand partnerships at all from here on forward. As just discussed, the cons outweigh the pros, and if I just spend my time working on another plugin, LUT, course, or video instead of negotiating a brand deal, we are all better off. Since the Final Cut Pro ecosystem is so rich on third-party tools, I surely want to continue talking about them on the channel. But here's the thing. If I want to talk about a tool, I don't want any strings attached to this, and I most certainly don't want a financial incentive to do so. Furthermore, to really evaluate a tool, I want to experience the full customer side of things. So again, from here on forward, no brand integrations, no affiliations, nothing. Everything I will feature on the channel, I have bought with my own money. As mentioned in the beginning, I only have two affiliations at the moment, which are Dehancer and Motion VFX. As of this week, I have terminated both contracts. Though I should note that I get to keep some plugins from Motion VFX and one license for Dehancer for free. If you want to support the channel financially, then first and foremost, thank you very much. And if you want to do so, please consider picking up a plugin, some LUTs, or signing up for a training session. This truly makes a difference for me. Moving on to my personal perspective now. Treating this channel more like a business, which it arguably is, does something very important for me. My identity doesn't feel attached, or doesn't feel as attached to what I do here anymore. This is such a relief because my identity revolves around so many other things, and it became quite a struggle to fit and find space for all of my creative output on this channel. Figuring this out over the last couple of days has been a huge challenge for me. When reflecting on it today though, I think it was such a struggle because I just discovered a boundary. Meaning, I realized that most of my creative ambitions don't belong here on the channel. But don't get me wrong, I will still be myself around here, don't worry. For example, let's talk about the thumbnail of this video. I could go on for hours about my admiration for the mid-century and Bauhaus aesthetic, but to make it short, in the last couple of days I have found my love for illustrating. I have never illustrated something before, well, other than the icons for my plugins and the mockups you see on my website. But I want to give my creative output at least a little bit of room here. So this is why I shorthandedly declared this aesthetic as part of my brand now. From today on forward, whenever you see something like this, or this popping up in your feed, chances are high it's a new video from me. Illustrating the thumbnails for this month's videos has been an absolute blast, and I'm really looking forward to illustrating the thumbnails for next month's videos. So there is an overlap between Eric Lenz, the former colorist and now Final Cut Pro teacher, and Eric Lenz, the artist. But this channel needs all of this circle, and I can sprinkle in a little bit of the overlapping area. For example, by developing a unique style and visual language for my thumbnails. But all of the other circle has no business being here. This channel, despite having my name on it, is for you. I want to help you understand colors so you can realize the ideas in your head. This also means that this video is probably the last vlog style video I'll upload here, which kind of sucks because I want to start discovering Eric Lenz the artist. If you want to join me on the journey as well, I have created a super secret second channel. The link is in the video description. The handle is @StudioEricLenz. But please don't have high hopes just yet. I need to hold myself back too, because for at least the next 2 to 3 months, my business and this channel needs all of my attention. So it will be a while before I start posting there. It's just, I just needed to get that out now.